Here's a random hack for you. If you have a butter dish like this, and after several months of use, it starts getting kind of nasty looking, especially on the inside. This one I've just cleaned, but it'll get just butter, just everywhere. And if you're not feeling like throwing it in the dishwasher and you just want to clean it really quick after it's emptied, of course, here's what I did. Take whatever's left out of it, of course, and just take the whole thing and put it in the microwave oven. Put it in the microwave for about a minute, and any butter residue that is on here will liquefy, and you can wipe it off easily with just a paper towel, and then you can wash it in your sink with soap and water and whatnot, and look, what it just comes out perfectly clean in no time. If you try to do that just with soap and water, it would still be a mess, an oily mess. So there you go. Throw the whole tray in the microwave for about a minute, wipe it off, then you can clean it, and it looks beautiful. There you go. Check out our other stuff on our channel. We got all kinds of stuff relating to cars, motorcycles, fix-up stuff around the house, refrigerator stuff, yard work, you name it, we got stuff on our channel, so check it out.